In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work with the different kind of labels that are coming out of label printing scale. So this particular label here is coming out of Metler Toledo scale, and it's different or unique in that it doesn't have a unit of measure as weight, as in pounds. It has unit of measure as in quantities, yet it's variable in that the scale, rather than figuring out the poundage, it just counts the units that are being put on it and then calculates the price. So the barcode is still price embedded, but what throws you off is the fact that, here, let's take a look at the normal label. So a label, I mean, you can even see that, the fact that it's weight is pre-printed on the label, and 4 pounds and 11 ounces is the total calculated weight. So, for example, this is CAS, right? And the CAS label, as you can see, doesn't count, and instead it calculates the weight. Whereas this label here, it counts quantities. So a practical application would be, let's say you're selling shish kebab skewers, and each skewer costs $5. And rather than counting the weight of the shish kebab skewer, you're just counting the number of skewers, right? So you have 5, totaling to $25. So this label would still work with Clover using variable price barcode parser, and I'm just going to demonstrate real quick how to set this up on Clover. So I'm going to open on inventory and add item, and I'm going to set up this butter garlic shrimp skewers real quick. Alright, so I gave it a name, and I'm going to choose per unit to achieve this setup. And I'm going to say that the unit price is $5, right? And the item unit, in this case, the unit of measure is eaches, right? So I'm going to say something like EA. Alright, and in the product code, we're going to put in, I believe it's a 2, the first digit. So, real quick. Alright, so I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so 6 digits, and we're going to save. Alright, so now let's test this out. So we have register going, and we should be able to scan this barcode and have the system calculate Alright, so I need to, so when you see something like this, when the price is like way off, there is a setting that your variable price barcode parser is able to read different price formats. So let me just change this real quick to this one. So we only go up to 99. Alright, let me get rid of this, delete, and let's try again. So I'm going to scan this barcode, and we see 5 eaches at $5 each for the total of $25, and I believe that's exactly the result we're looking for. So that's how you use this label. Thank you.